You know how watching a quick course online somehow feels like a smarter use of time than endlessly scrolling reels? It grabs you, keeps you hooked, and makes you feel like you actually did something productive. Now imagine if you could sell those kinds of courses without making them from scratch and earn anywhere between $500 to $2,500 a month just by helping others learn what they already want to. Hello, one-clickers, it's a new day and we're back with another zero-stress money-making tool. Today, we're diving into a super cool AI platform called CourseMate AI. It's a ready-to-roll system that lets you create, publish, and sell complete online courses, ebooks, and even whiteboard videos without needing to write or record a single thing. Just enter your topic, hit generate, and boom, your academy is live and ready to earn. No matter how alien these claims might sound, the excellently crafted features back each of them. Have a look at how. Create and sell instantly. Launch your own online course academy in minutes with AI doing all the heavy lifting from content to video scripts. Earn daily from digital courses. Sell your AI-generated courses, ebooks, or whiteboard videos for $20 to $100 each to students, freelancers, creators, and niche learners. Zero effort needed. No writing, recording, or tech skills required. Just pick a topic, click generate, and your course is ready to sell. Built for passive income. Keep earning 24/7 as people enroll in your courses or download your digital products while you focus on scaling or sipping chai. Pay once, sell forever. No monthly fees or content creation costs, just one-time access to unlimited course creation and sales for life. Educators with zero course selling experience are getting buyers like never before with 3 simple steps. Step 1, launch your course. Enter your niche or topic and let the AI build your full course site in minutes with no tech setup needed. Step 2, publish and share. List your courses, ebooks, or videos and start promoting them to students, professionals, or niche audiences. Step 3, start earning. Earn $20 to $100 per sale from every course or download completely passive and repeatable income. The best part? The software is priced at just $67, a one-time payment, no monthly subscriptions. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it's not what you expected, simply request a refund, no questions asked. Final comments. So is CourseMate AI for you or not? If you want to earn passive income by selling ready-made online courses, ebooks, and videos without writing, recording, or designing anything, and make up to $1,000 daily through your own self-hosted academy, then CourseMate AI is the tool you should get started with right now. Anyways, this deal won't last forever, and prices may rise soon. So, if it sounds like your thing, grab your access now at the best price. Links in the description.